Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you 7 AI tools that can skyrocket your wealth in 2023. Think of AI as a super tool. It's all about two things, making more money or saving more time. If you use it, you can make your business better and faster. If you don't, you might get left behind. The first AI we'll be talking about today is Tidio and its AI helper, Lero. This little marvel can do two big things, give a hand to your support crew or take the reins entirely. The cool part? It pumps up sales on your website while it's at it. Think about it this way. Tidio's AI Lero can be like your support squad. It's like hiring less folks or making more cash by giving top-notch customer help. Both ways, it adds up to more money in your pocket. Here's the deal. Lero is a chatbot with AI mojo. It can do two nifty tricks. First, it takes care of those FAQs, instantly zipping through customer questions. That makes your website smooth for customers, boosting how many actually buy stuff. No more drowning in FAQs and missing questions. The AI's got it covered. Oh, and that's not all. Lero can tackle more challenging questions too. Stuff like order info or restocks. It dives into the database and comes out with answers. Now the second thing. Lero helps your human support crew work like wizards. See, Tidio's AI turned quick notes from your support peeps into complete sentences that match your brand style. And when customers hit the AI with stuff it doesn't know, it just sends them to a human agent. Get this. Lero can handle 70% of customer queries. That means your support gang serves more people in less time. Happy customers means more sales. It's a win-win. As our attention spans get shorter, creators must catch our interest faster. Short videos rule the scene now, but here's the deal. Making short content is challenging and pricey. Imagine having a whole bunch of editors working on your content for you. Sounds costly, doesn't it? Most folks can't do that. So say hello to our second AI, Opus Clip. It's a tool that's a game changer, and it takes your long videos and, with one tap, turns them into snappy short ones. Here's the cool part. The AI in the Opus Clip spots the best hooks in your video and sticks them together with the juicy highlights. All the dull stuff? Gone. That boosts your chances of going viral by a bunch. And guess what? There's more. Opus Clip's AI Copilot helps you pick out video parts using certain words. This tool is a gem, especially considering the return on investment. Short videos are everywhere, aren't they? Opus Clip saves you time and money on editing, and you could even start a business with it. AI number 3 is another gem, Adobe Firefly. This one's a real game changer. See, most other tools we've discussed help you save time or money by doing tasks for you. For instance, building websites or answering customer questions. They give you a boost, a way to do more with less effort. That's the power of AI right there. But Adobe Firefly? It's a whole different ballgame. This AI goes beyond saving time or money. It lets you do things that were just impossible before, and that's seriously valuable. Here's the scoop. Firefly is an AI that's all about generating content, and that means it can do some mind-blowing stuff. Let me give you a few examples. First off, Firefly can whip up realistic images from detailed text. Think of product photography or any scenario where you need an image. Instead of a whole team of designers, just tell the AI what you need. Your work gets a massive upgrade without blowing up your costs. Then there's this cool thing called generative fill. Firefly can add or remove stuff from photos, like changing your outfit in a pic. Stuff that would need a Photoshop whiz can now be done by the AI, and it looks totally natural. If you're into content creation, Firefly is a must-have. Fixing things up becomes a breeze, and your ticket to exploring fresh ideas. Guess what? Soon, Firefly can even cook up images from 3D elements. It's time to talk about another real game changer, Microsoft's Copilot. This AI might just be the superstar of the bunch, and for good reason. Listen up because this is super useful. Copilot plays best buddies with all of Microsoft's stuff. Yup, we're talking Excel, PowerPoint, the whole lot. It's like a wizard that turns your tasks into a snap. Need to crunch numbers in Excel? Done. Whip up a PowerPoint? Easy peasy. Copilot even listens in on your Microsoft team meetings. It jots down notes and key stuff, giving you summaries, and can even tackle actions. Imagine making a presentation from your meeting notes. Hours saved right there. Bottom line, Copilot is like having a super efficient workmate. Any job, any field, this AI's got your back. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Picture this. You're a small business owner aiming to show off your stuff with a cool website. But guess what? Making websites used to be a real headache. Lots of coding, designing, writing, dreading stuff. It took ages and cost a bundle. Imagine meeting AI helpers like 10web.io or Durable.co. You tell them basic business information, answer a few quick questions, and bam. The AI gets to work and whips up an awesome website in minutes. Design, words, pics, the whole deal. Think about all the time you'd save. Instead of waiting forever, it's done super quick. Now, here's a time saver AI for you. Number 6 on the list is ChatGPT Writer. It's like a breeze and super smart. Let me explain why it's a total win. Remember when ChatGPT first made waves? One big thing was using AI for simple writing tasks. But there's a hitch. Opening, copying, pasting, setting up prompts. It's a bit of a process. By the time you're all set up, typing that email yourself might have been quicker. But wait, ChatGPT Writer is here to the rescue. It's a smooth Chrome extension that takes out all that hassle. With this tool, AI-driven email replies become a piece of cake. It's easy peasy but does wonders for saving you time in the long haul. Now, let's dive into the last tool. An AI gem that's useful for everyone and can rescue you from the time-sucking of reading endless contracts or lengthy docs. Picture this. You're stuck with a never-ending contract or some extensive old report. Maybe it's for class or your job. DocuAsk to the rescue. With DocuAsk, you don't have to endure the pain of reading all those words. Sure, there are tools to make summaries and even ChatGPT can do that. But here's the twist. Summaries miss out on details. You might skip over something vital, but with DocuAsk, that's not a problem. See, it takes any doc and breaks it down. You just pop your questions into a chat box, DocuAsk does the rest. It's like magic. Getting info from docs is crazy easy. So, no more hours wasted digging through papers, just let AI handle it. In this exciting AI revolution, the tools we've explored aren't just here to make our lives easier. They're potential goldmines for making money online, all from the comfort of your own home. As we've seen, these AI tools have the power to streamline tasks, save time, and enhance the quality of our work, ultimately leading to increased earnings. Whether you're building websites, engaging customers, writing content, or creating visuals, AI tools like 10web.io, Tidio, ChatGPT, DocuAsk, and Adobe Firefly are at your disposal. They offer the opportunity to start a side hustle, upskill your existing job, or even build a new career path centered around AI-driven solutions. And here's the beauty of it. These AI tools enable you to work from home. They empower you to set your own schedule, allowing you to achieve a work-life balance that suits your needs. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, the accessibility of AI tools provides unprecedented opportunities for anyone to make money using AI and its products. In the end, the future is bright for those who seize the possibilities of AI. With the right tools and the determination to harness their potential, we can make our lives easier and more efficient and turn them into prosperous opportunities to earn money online and redefine the way we work, creating a better future for ourselves in this ever-evolving landscape. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.